David, thanks. Today, Bellin and Gundersen announced their new brand of their merging health systems. The two health systems finalized their merger in December of 22, announcing their new combined name today, Amplify Health. The new brand combines the word empathy and amplify. Health executives say it will be incorporated into their existing health systems over the next several months, and that patients of Amplify Health will continue to receive care with their usual providers and the same locations they know and trust.
What we really want to have people know from this new name is that we are very, very committed to empathy and this idea of leading with love, but amplifying it through our commitment to continuously improve and deliver the best quality, the best experience, and better affordability for healthcare.
To learn more about what the merging of Bellin and Gundersen health systems mean for you, we have a link at wbay.com/links.